What is up, YouTube? We back with another video. Coming over here, up here at Butterfield Canyon. Got the truck up here. I wanted to come on here and show you a little bit of something new I just did. Pretty sure it's the first one around the parts of Utah. I've never seen anybody else with this exhaust system. But here it is. But went ahead and took off the old exhaust system. It was just a catback exhaust. This one's still a catback. Still wanted to have cats for the smell wise. But coming over here, dual long tube headers. Coming into a 3-inch straight pipe after the cats. Coming out here, just coming out the sides. I've never seen anyone really do this exhaust system, so I was like, might as well give it a go. Way louder than it was before. Here, I'll give it a good old start up. But it's definitely way louder. It sounds a lot better. It did end up putting a check engine light on, but I might have to figure out what to do with that. It might be just a broken O2 sensor, or it might just be it's gonna have to stay. But I'd say it sounds pretty good. But like I said, I think it's the first one coming out the sides. I know people have done true duals. But for it coming out the side, I couldn't see anything on that. It was actually pretty easy. I only could find one set of
Hi, YouTube.
but it was one set of, or it was Pacesetter. They're the only brand that makes them for second gens for long tube headers. But I'd say a pretty good purchase. But we're gonna well, right now I'll just do a little outro video. That's all the footage I got of the truck that day. Forgot to keep recording. But yeah, if you like the video, like and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching.